Hello, it's Paige, and today we're going to be drawing a macaw. Now, macaws are birds that are colorful and bright. If you've seen the movie Rio, they are birds that can talk, and they are just so much fun, so that's what we're drawing today. Okay. So, we're going to start off by drawing its head. We're going to go to kind of the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to draw a very shallow rainbow. A rainbow that's like stretched out a little bit. That is the head. Give it some feathers behind it. Perfect. Add a line going down. A straight line going down. Perfect. For our beak, we're going to add another arc coming out of it all the way to the edge of our paper, curving in. And then curve it back up to the line that you had going down. And then add another line right close to the bottom there, going down to the point for the inside of his beak. Perfect. Now, on this point here, where the beak connects to the head, we're going to add a C for the eye. It's kind of where the eye is. And it's inside, its eyeball is going to be inside this big C that we just drew. So we're going to do a circle for its eyeball, and then another circle on the inside for its pupil, for the black dot on the inside. I also added a little circle here just as like a glimmer right there. Perfect. From your feathers that you drew over here, do a line down, a straight line down, and then a curved line going to the left. Perfect. Now we are going to draw it's our wing, but our wing has different layers to it. So we're going to start off by drawing a rainbow, just like that, connected to the arch that we drew right here. Continue this line going down. And then we're going to connect these two with a curve, just like that. Perfect. We're going to add another layer to our wing here, and we're just going to continue this line going down, and then we're going to curve it back up to kind of right in the middle of this line here. Okay. For our body, we're going to go from our wing, do a curve across the paper, bend it up, and go all the way up until we reach our beak again. Perfect. He's going to be sitting on a branch, so we're going to go to the left side of our wing, and we're going to draw a straight line out. And we're going to do another line coming into the other side of our wing. Perfect. We're going to continue this branch, and it's going to go under, and then at the right side, we're going to go down like that and bend it a little bit. Okay, now for its feet. It's just going to be some kind of like, they look like curved V's coming out of his body. We're going to do two on the left, and then do a bigger gap and do two coming out of the right, just like that. Then we're going to go out and down and then into the side of our paper. We're going to do like a squiggly V right there. Perfect. Add in kind of some little squiggle lines for some feathers on its belly. And for its tail, we're going to do 5 different parts of the tail. So we're going to do like a big long U coming out. going sideways diagonal. Then we're going to go to the next one and do a little longer. And then do a little longer. So we have 3. One going one a little longer, one going a little longer than that. Now we're going to do 2 more, but they're going to get shorter, just like that. So we have almost 5. They look like fingers coming out, but it's part of his tail. Perfect. And then we're going to add in some texture to our wing. I did a bunch of almost like U-shape all together, or feathers. And on the second part of the wing, I did 2 lines going up and down, just like that. Perfect. Now, for our tree, we're going to add in just some branches on the white spaces of our drawing. So what I did was, in this white space over here, I did kind of like a peak coming out of here, and I added some leaves to it. Just like that, some leaf shapes. So that's kind of like a triangle coming out, a little bit diagonally, and then some teardrop shapes in leaves, and I drew some lines in the middle of them. Perfect. I also drew a few leaves coming out over here, so I just did 3 kind of branch type things coming out, and I did some more teardrop leaf shapes over here. Some more leaves over there, and did add another leaf right here. Perfect. And then I had a branch coming out of this upper left corner. So I did 1 line coming diagonally down, and then I bent it going straight down. And then I had 1 line just coming straight out, just like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to do a big V, just like that. And then I'm going to do another V, just like that. Perfect. So now I'm going to add some leaves to it. Adding my leaves. What I like to do is I add 1 on the side, 1 on the top, 1 on the side. Maybe I'll add 1 on the side here, and then another 1 on the side here for some leaves. You can add as many leaves as you want. Yay, all right. If you want, you can also add, I didn't add this on my original drawing, but if you want to add like a sunshine up here, you could add a sun. If you want to add some clouds up here, you're welcome to add some clouds. If you want to add another cloud in here, because you have a lot of white space like I do, you're welcome to it. Or if your bird is a little bigger and fills the page like this one, then you're welcome to just leave it. Okay, now to color this little drawing here, what you're going to do is you're going to make this body all 1 color. Whatever color you want, but make it all 1 color. And the rest of it, like this eye portion and the wing and the tail, are all going to be different colors. They're all, each little part of the wing and of the tail are all going to be different colors. Our feet and our beak are going to be orange. Those ones should be orange. Our tree, the big branch, is going to be a brown, and so our leaves are going to be a green. And then I made my background blue to represent the sky. But if you want to get super creative with it, go for it. It's your drawing. Go for it. Do whatever the heck you want. You can make it a sunset drawing. You could make these storm clouds if you want. Get super creative. But it's up to you. All right. Well, these birds are really fun. They can talk to you. And this drawing doesn't talk to you. But it's still really fun to draw, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.